Microwave day! Oh, hi. Supervisor on duty. Hey yo-hos, it's Mark and Lisa here. So this wasn't something we decided to do on a whim. Our old microwave broke. It was quite the lightning storm inside of it.
Yes.
Not a safe thing to have in your house, so it wasn't something we could fix. Time for a new microwave. It didn't owe you anything, right?
No, I had it for a long time. And then my brother had it for a really long time.
It was a hand-me-down?
Yeah, I told you that.
This is new information.
So the microwave was actually here to begin with, the old microwave. So we're hopefully just switching it out and they'll see what we do.
Yeah, enjoy the reno.
Yeah.
I don't know about you guys, but unboxing is one of my favorite parts of any reno. You get to see all the goodies you get inside there, what everything comes with. It's a lot of fun. And of course, Lisa is not the instruction queen. She does not like following instructions. I am not an instruction queen either, because I'm not a queen. I'm an instruction king. I love looking at instructions. It's kind of like old school Lego for me. I think that's where it takes me. So this project came with all the things you needed. Instructions were fantastic. There was a template that was in there, so what we had to do was first take everything off. So this came with two templates. One template for under the counter and one template for on the back wall. And that's where we found that there was too much ceramic tile. So there was, we had to trim back a little bit of ceramic tile on the backsplash so that the microwave would fit properly. We couldn't even get the mounting bracket on because it was just too high. So that's why I'm using that Dremel tool, the ceramic tile bit on it, to chisel away some of that extra tile, because we didn't need a lot gone, just a little bit.
So I would just quickly like to point out the lovely box / stove protector. Grab what you can so you don't smash the top of the stove, because why didn't we pull the stove out? You just wanted to hulk it right over top. I know you do.
Yo-ho stove protector. You see the little tabs that the little slots there are going to fit into?
No.
You know what? Get that box out of the way for me.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. That's magical. Just, yeah, throw it on the ground if you like.
So another little tidbit while you're watching this, just, the back info. Mark has the best timing, So he decides to hulk this microwave up over the stove and yells, "Hey Lisa, can you come and help me with this cord?" I'm like, what? I go running, don't realize the camera's on. I'm in my full pajamas. So that's why I really tried to be cut out of that video, because it was horrible.
You are what you wear.
True story. Anyways.
Yeah, I had to get changed out of my work clothes to do this, because otherwise I'd be wearing pajama pants.
Fair.
So huge bonus on this, the outlet that the old microwave was using, you don't have to move, we don't have to change. Honestly, I didn't even know there was an outlet there. I thought it was hardwired in, so huge bonus. If you've got existing power where your microwave's going, don't change it, just use it.
So this next clip, he is like trying to put the doors back. Oh, sorry.
Oh.
He's trying to put the doors back up onto the cupboard and realizes that they don't fit. So he kind of like looks over like the whole time before this whole part started, and instead of having cupboards up there that I never ever use, and like literally I went through those cupboards to clean them out and I was thinking, what? I didn't even remember putting this up here. Like, what is this stuff? The only good thing I knew up there was my Scentsy wax melts, and all women know you need a good spot for that, because one of my good friends was a rep. But anyways, that aside, I didn't want cupboards on that thing to begin with, and I couldn't explain to him until the dilemma came, and you'll see that I actually wanted it like this.
See, I budget about 4 times the amount of time I think a project's gonna take me. I wasn't prepared for a cupboard anomaly.
Yeah, I
not
get that.
anomaly?
I get that. I know what
Anomaly.
you're trying to say. I don't know, but I know what you're trying to say. A cupboard kerfuffle.
Let's change the name of the whole video right now. Uh-oh.
What happened?
Cupboards aren't going to line up anymore.
I don't want them anyways.
You don't want the cupboards?
I don't know.
Doors?
I don't know if I do.
Well, I'm going to have to recut them.
If I painted the inside of that like a, well, let's think on it.
I just want to make something completely clear here.
Do it.
That panic look was because
No.
I saw more work in store for me
No,
that
he
I
thought-
wasn't prepared to do.
He thought he was going to get in trouble. Okay, so this, what do you want? What? Want one of these? Like 1 or 2? 3? Draw the line. Okay. As we were.
So it was at this point that I was pretty much convinced I was going to have to take the doors apart and shorten them.
Which I didn't want, and I knew I didn't want that. Well, because again, I never use anything up there. It was a bunch of just nothingness. So I thought, why don't we, okay, so going up the middle, was there an exhaust pipe thing for the fan in the microwave? I said, why don't we just box that in with just cheapy wood that you wouldn't know because I'm gonna paint it white anyways, and with leftover wood from our other projects in the link description box below. Anyways, I'm just kidding, but it's true. Leftover wood, we had lots of it. So the existing little pegs were here already. So I said to Mark, why don't you just like build a box? This is just so easy for me, right? Because I don't do any of this stuff, but in my head it seems nice and easy. Why don't you just build a box around that metal thing? This is my words exactly, wasn't it? Mm-hmm. Build a box around the metal thing and just put like a shelf like with a hole in it.
That's
right?
what we did.
This is where this next step is.
Hello there. Lisa has me just getting this little area prepped to make a box to go around the vent here. So that's what's going to cap right over top of that. And then there's still going to be some room out in the front, so we'll be able to just cut a shelf to fit right over top of that box area.
So here's the dry fit for the pieces of the box to go over top of the microwave venting. Once I assemble it and Lisa's painted it, then we'll put it in place and attach it to that back wall using just a couple of small brackets that will be just like L brackets, and they're going to be positioned exactly where the shelf is going to go. So that way you won't see the brackets. And this whole box is just made out of 3/8 plywood. Just some stuff we had kicking around. All right, we got the little box here finished. So we're gonna do a dry fit and see what it looks like. Hope it fits. Actually quite good.
Nice.
I've recessed the brackets to hold this to the wall. The shelf going on there will hide that.
So I just did a little wood fill on all the holes here. And I'll just wait for that to dry, do a light sand, and then paint it. I'm just using regular wall paint to paint this box. I am using regular wall paint inside the actual cubby above the microwave as well. So what would a video be without a wee little painting montage? Enjoy!
And what better way to finish off the project but a piece of wood that was stained but not used from the craft cabinet build as a shelf notched out to go around the box.
Ooh. That looks great.
There. Oh, good. And that's it. How fun was that?
Pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Now you don't have to worry about it not being a functional storage space because
Well,
now it's more of an eye-catching focal point.
That's kind of what I wanted. And like when you walk in the kitchen, that's the first thing you see. That's, yeah, so pretty happy with it.
So thanks for watching.
Yeah, and with that being said, don't forget to subscribe and like and hit the notification button so you can get notified every single time we upload a new video. We have a lot of them now on our playlist. Pretty fun.
That's right. So it's very important to do all the things.
Yeah.
Oh, she's playing with a, is that? Oh no. Dora, what do you have? Sounds good. So when we were getting this microwave, I was...
You better.
If you guys enjoyed this video, here's a couple more for you to watch.